Mandeville, Louisiana, is no stranger to unpredictable weather, from sudden thunderstorms to the threat of hurricanes during the hurricane season. For homeowners in this region, preparing your home for various weather conditions is a priority, and one of the most effective ways to do so is by investing in a storm door. Not only do storm doors provide an extra layer of protection against the elements, but they also offer a range of benefits that improve security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Here's why Mandeville homeowners should consider installing storm doors in their homes. Protection against severe weather. Living in Mandeville means you are no stranger to the possibility of heavy rains, high winds, and hurricanes. These severe weather conditions can cause damage to your entry doors, which are often exposed to the elements. A storm door acts as a barrier between your main entry door and the harsh outdoor environment, offering protection from wind, rain, and debris. Storm doors are designed to withstand high winds, flying debris, and heavy rainfall, which helps safeguard your home's primary door from damage. In the event of a hurricane, storm doors provide an additional level of protection, helping prevent damage to your main door and making it harder for debris or water to enter your home. This extra layer of defense is essential in a region where the weather can change dramatically in a short period. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners, especially in a climate like Mandeville's, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly between seasons. Storm doors help improve energy efficiency by adding an extra layer of insulation to your home. The space between the storm door and your primary door creates an insulating air pocket that reduces heat transfer, keeping warm air inside during the winter and cool air inside during the summer. This insulating effect helps reduce your home's energy consumption, as your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Over time, the energy savings you gain from installing a storm door can offset the initial cost of the investment, making it a wise choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy bills. Improved home security. Another significant benefit of storm doors is the added security they provide. Storm doors are built with durable materials like steel, aluminum, or reinforced glass, making them much harder to break through than a traditional entry door. With a strong storm door in place, intruders would face an additional barrier before gaining access to your home. In addition to physical security, many storm doors come equipped with heavy-duty locks, which enhance your home's overall security system. You can also opt for storm doors with reinforced glass or security screens, providing further protection without sacrificing visibility or ventilation. This added layer of protection helps keep your home safer from potential break-ins and vandalism. Increased curb appeal and home value. Storm doors don't just protect your home from the elements, they also improve its appearance. Available in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, storm doors can be customized to complement your home's architectural design. Whether you want a sleek, modern design or a more traditional look, there's a storm door that will enhance your home's curb appeal. A well-chosen storm door can add an attractive touch to your front entrance, making your home look more polished and inviting. In addition to aesthetic benefits, storm doors can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers often view storm doors as a sign of a well-maintained, secure home, which could lead to a quicker sale or a higher sale price if you ever decide to move. Better ventilation. During the milder months in Mandeville, when the weather is warm but not too hot, you may want to open your main door for fresh air while still maintaining a level of security. Storm doors with mesh or glass panels allow you to do just that. These doors offer the flexibility to let in fresh air while keeping insects, pests, and other unwanted elements out. Some storm doors come with retractable screens or glass panels that you can adjust depending on the weather. This allows for better airflow and natural ventilation without compromising your privacy or security. It's an ideal feature for homeowners who want to enjoy the breeze without worrying about bugs or debris entering their home. Low maintenance and durability. Storm doors are designed to withstand the elements and require minimal maintenance. Most storm doors are made from materials like steel, fiberglass, or aluminum, which are resistant to rust, corrosion, and weathering. Unlike traditional wood doors, storm doors won't warp, crack, or rot when exposed to moisture and humidity, making them an excellent choice for homes in humid climates like Mandeville. In addition to their durability, storm doors are relatively low maintenance. A quick cleaning every few months and periodic inspections for wear and tear are usually all that's needed to keep your storm door in great shape. Conclusion. Investing in a storm door is a practical and beneficial decision for homeowners in Mandeville. Not only do storm doors protect your home from harsh weather conditions, but they also improve energy efficiency, enhance security, boost curb appeal, and provide better ventilation. With the added durability and low maintenance requirements, a storm door is a long-term investment that offers peace of mind and value for your home. Whether you're looking to protect your home during hurricane season, improve its energy efficiency, or simply add to its visual appeal, a storm door is a smart and effective solution. If you're unsure where to start, consult with a local professional to find the perfect storm door for your home's needs and style.